and welcome to Ganesh Institute channel. Today we are going to discuss about multiple integrals and in that as well triple integrals. How can we solve? So see, here's a question. You are given with three variables x, y and z and you have to solve this. So first of all, try to evaluate which limit is for which variable. You can see the first limit means you might be wondering that whether you have to take dy first, dx or dz. So it will depend on the limits. Because limit is showing x, limit has two variables x and z. So you have to take other than x and z, which is y here. So first of all, for this limit solve dy, okay. Thereafter, because it has 0 to z, so you cannot solve for z. So what is left? You have already taken y here. So this limit is for x and rest for z. This one will be the limit. Okay. Let's start to solve this equation, this multiple integral. This first of all, as I told you, this is for y. So you are solving for y. If you take this bit only, x dy will be xy, it will be y square by 2 and then zy, keeping all other things constant, all other variables constant, only you are solving for y. Okay, limit from x minus z to x plus z. Rest all the limits are still there. Okay, now what you need to do, upper limit minus lower limit, and that is also in place of y for which you solved it. So upper limit, okay, firstly I am putting all the upper limits, x plus z whole square by 2, x plus z, then minus lower limit. This minus is in formula, and then x lower limit plus lower limit plus lower limit, right? Rest still there. This is still there. Okay. Now, if you solve it, and this is for limit x minus z to x. Oh, you have already put the limit, right? We have already taken the limit. Now, if you solve it, expand this x square plus xz. You can expand it. A plus b whole square will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. This will be xz plus z square. Now distributing this minus all over. Minus x square minus plus xz. This will be minus of x, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, minus, this is for this, now minus xz minus plus z square, right? Thereafter, this is for 0 to z and minus 1 to 1, right? Now if you see here, x square will be cancelled with x square and xz with xz. What else? This is minus z square. You have already taken everything. Is all okay? You have already taken everything. Alright. Now put the values. This is xz, 2xz, z square, 2z square. And this, if you take the LCM, x square will be cancelled with x square, z square will be z square, 2 and 2, 4xz. Right? So this will be 2 times 2, limit 0 to z minus 1 to 1. So this is 2 and 2, 4xz plus 2z square, limit 0 to z minus 1 to 1. Right? Let me grab this. Thereafter, this is your question now. Now, because this is 0 to z, so this is for which variable? X, that's correct. So 4xz plus 2z square dx dz, this is your question. Now, first of all, solve for dx. So it will be 4x square by 2. This will be 2xz square, right? And limit goes from 0 to z. Right? Now only one limit is left here. So, if you put upper limit, which will be 2z cube, upper limit 2z cube, okay, 2 into 4z cube. Now you have to simply integrate in with respect to z. So it will be 4z4 by 4, right? Limit minus 1 to 1. 4 is cancelled with 4. So upper limit minus lower limit. 1 is to power 4 is 1. Sorry. And minus 1, because it is even powers, will be 1. So 0 is your answer. I hope you understood this video. If you got the concept, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And you can comment to it, how do you like it, how did you find it, and we will see each other in our next video. Till then, take care, bye, thanks.